This cranberry sauce is filled with flavor and it is so simple to make. All you need is 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. That's what I have here in the pot. A 12-ounce package of cranberries, rinsed and drained, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the zest and juice of half a lemon. So to start it off, you're just gonna mix the sugar and water together like I have and put it on the stove top to boil. Once it begins to boil, you're going to turn your heat down to a high medium and place your cranberries inside the pot. Give it a little stir and then place the lid on the pot because the cranberries are going to start to burst. And if you don't have it covered, you will have cranberries splattered all over your kitchen. So we're going to let it simmer now here for about 5 minutes. Once you start hearing those cranberries burst, let it go for a couple more minutes. Once you no longer hear them bursting, you know it's safe to take your lid off. You're going to take a potato masher and just mash those cranberries up. If you want them whole, then just skip this part. But if you want them mixed in a little bit more, like partially whole and partially mashed, then this is what you want to do. Now we're just gonna let it simmer on a lower heat for a few more minutes before we add in our cinnamon and lemon juice and zest. As you can see, most of the cranberries are mashed up, but they're still a pretty decent size. That will add some texture to your cranberry sauce. All right, it's time to add in our other ingredients. Now we're gonna let it simmer for another minute. It's time now to transfer the sauce into a bowl. As you can see, the sauce is still quite runny, but as it cools off here, it will thicken up and become more of like a jam or jelly consistency. Now we need to let the sauce cool down completely. Stir it from time to time as it's cooling down, and then once it's not warm anymore, we can cover it up and place it in a fridge, and then it'll be ready for whenever you need it with your dinner.